Hey, Miss Amy. So, Video Journal for it said that there was supposed to be some more common secondary market advertising channels, and I was thinking that a few that we didn't discuss are the QR codes, the little barcode looking things that you scan with your cell phone. You see those some places, and there's also telemarketing. We didn't talk about that one, and a really big one is mobile app. I think that qualifies. I don't know. I'm pretty sure it qualifies though. The pop-ups that you see all the time, like the little games in your mobile apps, that kind of deal. And that that just about answers the prompt, I think, right there. So let me double check. I think discuss the new ways of business are reaching customers. Yeah. What are three secondary advertising channels that you see commonly? All right. Well, okay, so a third one. I guess a third one. Wait, no, that was three. Okay. Sweet. Okay. So yeah, I'll see you tomorrow, Miss Amy. Bye bye.